What's up everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. We're going to remove some window tint today that's been on for a little over 2 years. I know some of you guys have some that's pretty baked on, but this process is pretty bulletproof. It is foggy this morning, but that's not fog. You see, that is a steamer. What that's going to do for us is allow all the glue to release from the glass and not leave a mess. If you guys have ever tried to take window tint off before, you know how difficult it can be when it starts to tear, and this is really going to make an impact for that. You're going to need an industrial style steamer or a handheld. Mine is, you know, pretty commercial-ish. I think it was a little less than $100, maybe around $100, but you can use it for clothes and many other things as well. So I'm going to link a couple different options for steamers. Just know the better one you get, the more steam it puts out. And let's go ahead and get started. I already prepped right here by using my fingernail to start tearing after I steamed the tint. I can already tell there's no glue left behind. I don't know if that's focusing enough, but I'm gonna get started there. Some people say to slot it or to slit it. So like do a slit there, tear it all the way down and keep going. But you do want a towel, guys. The steam is hot and it obviously drips water, condensation. So don't get that in your speakers. You know, 4Runners, for example, have a speaker there. You probably don't want water getting on those if you can help it. You can almost hear the tint lifting. See if you can hear that. And hot water does try to drip on your hand, so gloves probably smart. It's not too bad. So I mean, I don't know how long, if I'm like overdoing it, but this is about how long I do it for, you know, 5 to 10 seconds. Put the steamer in a safe place, and then I'm gonna come back just with my hand here and just start tearing again. And you can tell once you get past the part that you've steamed that it wants to stop. And just to show you guys, like, it's not like those annoying retail stickers that rip and you can't keep them going, you know. So again, about right here, I'm gonna stop. Even though it wants to keep going, that steam is what's keeping that glue from staying on the window. So it's extremely important that we come back and release that glue again. I'm gonna pick back up in 2 more seconds. Just take a quick break. So this side is done. Just carrying on over there. Again, no stickiness. You guys know how sticky that stuff can be, and you can tell it's not sticking to my thumb, but really impressed with this method. And we'll still have some tint to keep our privacy in the car cool, but again, impairs vision a little bit, so getting rid of it. Still a little steamy, but that's the difference that it made. There's that crackling sound. You can almost hear it lifting. It's crazy. Our last step is to clean the windshield inside and out and enjoy clearer vision and less privacy and more heat. This is a tough thing for me to do, guys, again, but for the safety of having a kid in the car now. It's not just ourselves and our car mods. We gotta think about other people. So, all right, if you guys like the video, let me know. This should help you out a ton. Promise, it's not just me and a magic trick. This really works. So if there is any glue left, I had one little piece where I tried to get too fast. Take your time with that steam. I'm gonna try some Gooby Gone, maybe some pure alcohol. I don't know yet, but take your time, don't rush, and try to show people how quickly you can do it on YouTube, and you'll be fine. Y'all be good. Thanks for watching BT Willis Garage.